Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. Welcome to a feature release video for WordPress Elementor 3.20. So Elementor 3.20 has been released and they added some really cool features. One of the feature which I'm going to show you guys in this video is display conditions. So now you can add display conditions for your sections, for your elements. So you will just go to advanced tab and click on dynamic conditions to enable that. And cool thing about that these dynamic conditions is that you can create and operator or operator, and you can also base them on the custom fields which you have created in ACF plugin or any other custom field plugin. So it's a really cool feature which you should see how you can use that, and in this video we'll show you guys, and my co-host Nida Sheikh will walk you through how you can implement that feature in Elementor 3.20. So if you want to learn, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, which will help us create more valuable content for you guys. Without further ado, let's get into the screen.
Hi guys, welcome back to WebSense Pro. I'm your co-host Nidashik with another tutorial on Elementor. As you all know that Elementor 3.20 beta has just rolled out now with some exciting new features and updates. One of the update which I'll be sharing in this video is the display condition. Let me show you guys what this display condition update is. In the previous version of the display condition, Elementor 3.19 allows us to use the AND function only, while version 3.20 added the OR operators. The new OR operator displays the element if at least one of the condition is met. So it's going to be very exciting for us to use this new updated feature. Okay, so now I'll show you guys how you can use this updated new feature release. Okay, first of all, what I'll do is I'll choose a page here. From the left side, choose pages and click all pages here. We'll add a new page. Okay, so I have named it as display condition 3.20. We'll set a featured image here. Okay, I'll be choosing a random image here. Let's choose this. Okay, for this feature image, what I did is I added all text as test and I have given it a title named as security. This will be used in the display condition. Okay, let's click edit with Elementor now. Okay guys, so now here I'll be adding a loop grid. Okay, let's search for a loop grid from the left side and drag it here on the screen. Let's close it for now. Okay, I'll create a template here. Click save. Okay, so here what I'll do is I'll drag a featured image. Okay, and post title. Drag it below this. Okay. Okay, what else we can do is post info below this. Okay, so here what we need is we don't need author, we need the date and the comment only. And for this, let's give it some color. Okay, and the last but not the least, we'll be adding a button here below this. I'll sort it out and come back. Okay guys, now you guys can see that the format is ready. What you'll do is I'll click edit paste so that all the previous posts which we have made appears here on the screen with the same template. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this is really beautiful. Now what we'll do is we'll click edit template, open navigator here. Okay, let's open navigator. We'll choose the container here, this one in which we have added the format. We'll go to advanced here. Okay, scroll down more, and here you guys can see the option named display condition. How you'll get this option? Let me teach you that. Okay, let's open dashboard again on a separate page. Okay, to get the display condition option, you need to go to Elementor here, click settings. Okay, here we'll click features, scroll down more, and you get this option named as display condition once you are updated to Elementor 3.20. Okay, this version will get this option. We'll activate it, then click save changes and go back. Here we'll be applying display condition. Click add condition here. Okay, so here I'll be choosing this new option named as dynamic tags here. Okay, here as you remember we have given an image alt. Let me show you guys again one time. When you click the featured image here, for this featured image I've given an alt text named as test. This test will be used here in the display condition. Now we'll click container again. From the left side, go to advanced and choose the display condition. Add the condition here. We'll choose again the dynamic tag. Instead of title, image alt is test. Okay, we'll click save and close here and see if it's working or not. Let's click update and let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so it's working. The image which we have given the name of test is image alt test is working, and this only appears on the screen now. So the display condition is working. What else we can do is, okay, so what else we can add in this display condition is the function of or. Either the test name should be the image alt test, or for example I want the post title is, for example, say guilty. Okay, let's choose this one and click save and close. Let's update it and see if it's working or not. So now you are supposed to have two such posts. Okay, so this display condition option works well with the or option as well. What else you can do is, if I add an and option, and for example I want the login status to be logged in, whoever has logged in must see my post, rest will not see the post. So I can use that. And what else we can do is, we can give some authorization as well. We can add the day of the week, the time of the day when the post should be displayed, the current date. From URL we can choose, okay, we can set a certain role who can see the post only. If the role of the person is the administrator, he'll be able to see the post. I hope you like my tutorial. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment below so that I can make more such videos for you.